In this segment, you will learn how to install a body emblem using Fusor 171 double-sided tape. Benefits of using Fusor 171 include super high strength, clear, non-detectable, UV, water, and solvent resistant.
Begin by measuring the vertical and horizontal placement of the original part. Heat the area with a heat lamp or heat gun to weaken the original bond, which helps in the removal process. Use a putty knife or plastic spreader to detach the original emblem. Next, using a rubber wheel, strip the original adhesive from the body panel. On the emblem, trim the original adhesive flush to the back and use a rubber wheel to remove any remaining adhesive. Apply Fusor double-sided tape, stock number 170, to the back of the emblem and trim as needed. Remove the plastic backing from the tape. Position and reattach the finished emblem, applying uniform pressure from side to secure.
This completes the body emblem installation procedure using Fusor 171. For more information, visit www.lord.com/Fusor. Call 877-ASK-LORD or contact your local Fusor distributor.